алейкум. Meni adım Medzhid Bektemirov. Men tug'anman Machkaladam. Ata-yurtim meni Aksay. Men yashayman Amerikada, shtat Texas, Xyuston shahrida. Shundan men boksdan trenirovatsiya etaman. Bek suyuni Moskvada ochilgan birinchi общественный organizatsiya o'zdim. Yo'rayman sizga, yo'llaringiz ochiq bo'lmagan. Bizden bo'lgan ko'makni etajekmiz. Sizga Alloh ko'mak etsin. Assalomu alaykum.
So Louis, what can you tell us about Medzhid?
I'm really excited about the future. Obviously, he's a big puncher. He's, I fought and he's one of the few guys. These guys that are big and the guys that are quick, but he's both. I mean, strong. That's amazing. They're hard to deal with.
And what would you? This video is for the youth from back his home. What would you recommend for the youth?
I mean, Medzhid are kind of no shortcut. You have to work hard, no matter where you are. I tell my son, there's no shortcut. You have to work hard, and that's, hard work pays off.
Medzhid?
Assalomu alaykum. Yoshlar, спортом заниматься это сердце düşmedi. Тренируйтесь, занимайтесь упорно. Иншаллах, Аллах вам поможет. Lu, can you say my language? Salam Qumuqlar.
Salam Qumuqlar.
Yeah, salam Qumuqlar.
Salam Qumuqlar.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
He about to do it. He look like he getting ready. I see him winding up. Yes, he was. Oh, yeah. He about to do it.